Hello and welcome to Wietzer's Woodshop. My name's Ted. We're gonna make some things. All right, here's the situation. So I switched augers and I went with the 6-inch. So we're gonna put these posts in the ground as fence posts or gate posts. So we're gonna have a swinging gate. I'm gonna build the gate that goes in between them. So right now I have some temporary fencing up just to keep the deer out. I got some in the back too. I'll probably just keep that. It's working really well. And that way I don't have to build something back there. But so what I did, I'm gonna make this gate 6 feet across, or right about that. And then so I painted the spots that I need to dig. So one of the things you have to do when you dig with this auger, especially by yourself, I don't have one of those adjusting poles that can move this. I'll probably end up getting them. They're super important. But come here, boy. So when you back up into this, you put it down and then you go forward a little bit. So see how this is, I'll exaggerate it. So when it goes down, it comes in straight. So that's the easiest way to get the auger to go, or keep your pole straight in. So you'll see when I back up and I put it down, I'll go forward just a little tiny bit. It's just a couple degrees, but it's enough to make, when this goes in, it'll go straight into the ground instead of at an angle. So when you put your posts in, you'll have enough area to move it so it can be straight up and down. So real important tip, especially doing this by yourself. It's not, and that's trial by error. So you have to really figure it out in order to get this thing to penetrate or go into the ground straight. So, but just pay attention, go slow. You're a professional homeowner. You're not getting paid for this, so take your time. And then we'll start this, and we'll see what we can do, and we'll see about putting these posts in the ground. Obviously, they're long, so we're going to cut them down. We'll probably make them exact same height as this, and then on the outsides, we'll end up putting some more chicken wire, and then we'll have this closed up for the deer. And then maybe we'll do something in the middle, or something that is up above, and then we'll put bird netting, because pretty soon I'm gonna have to do that to my cherry trees because they're blossoming like crazy. So all right, stand by. All right, perfect. So that's it. And then we'll do the other one, which is over by the camera right there. But you can see Whidbey Island is made up of a lot of rocks. Yeah, it's incredible how you don't have to go too deep, or I mean, there's some good sized ones, but there's a bigger one down there, and you can see when you hit it, it starts to jump. So you got to bring it up and put it back down. But by the looks of this, and then when we put the post in there, this is a really straight hole. So even though it was at an angle like this, it curved in and it went just perfect. So, and then I'll put some Quikrete around that, and then we'll set those in there and we'll be good. So let me do number 2, and boy, that didn't come out right, did it? Well, that didn't come out right either. Holy cow. So let's do the other one, and then we'll see what they look like when the posts are set up. Well, that one worked out just perfect. So there goes my dog barking at another dog, Mr. Territorial. The other one's barking too, so sorry about the background noise. So there you have it. So we'll get those posts in there, and we'll see what they look like. All right, so I got these all filled up with Quikrete, and we got them level. I got them, you know, going both ways, so I got them just perfect, just perfect. So what I'm going to do now is just set this concrete, and then I just use this pole just to get the air pockets out. It seems to help a little bit. Don't have to use a lot of water. Just keep it moving. There we go. Nice thing about this is it's quick and easy, other than being heavy. And then the rocks that I sifted out of this hole, I put on the bottom just so it'll allow good drainage. Not too concerned about these things rotting. They'll last forever. That's pretty good right there. A little bit more on that side. Then we'll do the other one. And then we'll cover them all up. Well, there it is. So much more improvements since the last little video. So ended up getting all the posts in the ground. I ended up milling up some more of the top logs right there. Did all that by hand. Made a gate. So we got that, and then covered that with chicken wire. Did the sides, ran out of chicken wire, so used the plastic construction fence that we have that's dark green, so that turned out really nice. Made an archway. Probably gonna put a sign up there later on. We had, last 2 days have been just raining like crazy, so was able to get all this finished today. And then coming in this side, works out pretty good. There's all our plants. So we got our lettuce coming along really well. The radishes over there are already peeking up. The peas in the back, and then that little greenhouse I made for the peppers. They seem to be doing well. Made a little stand or hooks for the tools, and I got my water can down there. So we're ready to go. Put a couple little lights in there. Probably put more. It'll light up at night. The hay seemed to blow around, but it's really wet right now, so everything's gonna settle down. So probably have to water this about every 2 days, maybe 3 days. Seems to be working pretty good. So left the construction fence back in the back there. Kind of blends in, so it looks pretty nice. But other than that, I'm pretty happy. So let's zoom on back. I was thinking on putting a birdhouse up on the top, maybe on one of those stanchions up there. So, and then you can tell the ground, how different the ground is. It's just tiered up right there, so, or sloped the ground is. So, but other than that, I like it. That's it. So you've heard of Busch Gardens. Well, this is Besch Gardens. So hopefully we'll get a sign made pretty soon. All right, well, thanks for watching. Maybe we'll end this with some drone footage.